Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the beautiful moment again with me, Ty. Let us look at BTC. But before then, let's look at our dollar index. So let's look at the index. Let's jump into the index. Yeah. So this my go to the market. I always love going to the highest time rate of it, which is 3 months. I want to know what is really happening. And you can see, look at my trend line. Let me just remove my trend line. Show you how trend line are drawn. Resume. Yep. So this is how trend line has been drawn. Like so, pick from the list like this. You drag, and that's all. That's how you draw a trend line. The weeks to weeks. Yeah. So now, since we know you're still bullish, so we're bullish, but we're broke out. Not still confirmed. So let's go to the month. The monthly. This is the monthly. I'm using my phone. So I the reason why I'm using my phone just because there is no good power electricity. Yeah, I'm having a problem with my PC. So don't worry, I'll fix that very soon. So I'll give you an update on everything I do. So before I do, I'll proceed in. So going to my weekly, since we already know, look at it. So for us now, dollar index is going bearish, super bearish. Yeah, bearish, fucking bearish. So since you're done with this, the thing is just to leave here and let's jump down to BTC. This is 500. This is 500. This is my oil. Look at the oil. Look at the oil. My goodness. I predict this move, from the weekly. I said when there is something like this, we have this kind of push like this, you can see. So I came back here, kind of want to break it, but it's fucking resistant. So we came back here, right? We came back down here. I was expecting this thing to move this way, but never. Came down to this low and we broke out. What I'm expecting is, I need some kind of test back to this, maybe not to this zone, but maybe somewhere around here. So something like this to play out for me, before we now home to the moon. But this will be the first level target for oil. My first level target will be this. Now this is already the double bottom. How do we know that? Look at that. There's something. There's a kind of I cannot say. Would I call it? Cannot say. No, a kind of flow that I love. Now look at this flow. Can you see this? And this is how I know my double bottom. Beautiful. Double bottom. I'm coming slowly too for this. Coming. My goodness. No, this is just for head and shoulder and this. So remove this. Let me go select this too. Double bottom. I'm coming. I can't find it. Wait, it's geometric shape. Yeah, so see here. Circle. So I love circle. So I'll have it. Do this way. There's a double button here too. I push this one to the upside, but there's a double button here. Bigger time frame. Double button one. Like it can even add it. So now got it here, and now so this is a double button. Beautiful double button from the highest time. Remember, this is the weekly. Look at it here. This is weekly. You can see that weekly. So this is a weekly time frame. So I haven't spotted the other things. Now what should I do? Go to my daily. It's simple. Go to daily. Now please let me go back to my candlesticks. Now you can see the daily. Massive. Now I think I told you it's over from here that push this thing like this. Market came zoom. Market came so like this. Oh sorry, that came like this. Sorry for this. This is just kind of. That's what I hate using my phone. this analysis. I did all this analysis on my laptop. So don't get me wrong. I did on my PC, not my phone. So then it come back here like so. Okay. This this beautiful move here. This is what I want to form right here. Yeah. Well, take it off, sorry. So if we test like this before, boom, to the moon. Yeah. So this is what I would love to do. So yeah, this is what I just did. Yeah, I wanted to repeat this. Let me just like this. Okay. So I wanted to split it again. I'm longing. How many pips? We got like 11,000 barrel, man. Yeah, per barrel should be at least. Yeah, we are targeting oil to 73. Is it $73 per barrel? Or I call it 73 barrel. I don't know. So something like so. Yeah, that's what I'm targeting. So let me go to the BTC. First, that's the gold. Gold. My goodness. You see all the things I drew now. Look at gold. Gold, massive. Look at gold. My goodness. I was waiting for gold to just come back. What I did, I was just waiting for gold to do something like this, and I went and trade. I want gold to just do something like this. This space from here. I was expecting gold to just come down here like this. Then I will long, but never. Because they never. No problem. Oh wait. It is. So this is what I'm trying to say here. Gold is just bullish, just kind of printing bigger candlesticks, bigger and bigger. I don't know what is really happening. Yeah, I don't want this to be long, so let's go to the 4 hours and see if there's any opportunity. We'll just jump in and make profit. Yeah. So look at gold. Look at it. Look at gold. My goodness, it's beautiful. I analyzed a trade before. If you can remember, I casted gold from this level, this place. Let me use my from here. I've casted gold to this to something extra. And this is not my stop loss. Please don't take it. No, just kind of. It's not my stop loss. Move this way. Stop loss was something like this. Yeah, exactly like so. Yeah. This one. Let's go BTC. I'm just going through all my BTC now. This is a big good news for us. Let me go to the weekly first so we see what is really happening. Now, what is the trend? Already we know the bullish trend. A week, this last week, and that's how you do it. Simple, stressless. This is the trend. Gold, gold. BTC is just kind of moving bullish. Now, what do we do? That's the question. For me, now, I'm favoring BTC to the upside. Why? We are kind of forming another double bottom. Like this. Double bottom. Okay? And you know what double bottom is. Now, then I took my mini zone. No, this blue bigger zones are my major zones. So this one's little yellow one is kind of a place where I would love to just put my rows, minus spaces that I feel the market can react to. So to the weekly, that's the weekly. To the daily now. This is where the trend is getting beautiful because look at this trend I drew, this counter trend. I said if this thing will break out, look at it, it really broke out like so, right? Came back to test it here, but I would love it to be something like so, somewhere like so. Anyhow, like this, you know. So move away again. So we need to come back this way. If PTP will be what's kind of GBP? If B2C we print a blue candlestick or a bullish candlestick like this, facing the upside, like so, I will long in it. I will long B2C. Let's go to the 4R and see what's there. Look at it, what's there. So look at something beautiful. You're having beautiful things here already. So we can do something like this. Beautiful. We carry out this another counter trend. We counter trend it. We can do something like so. Like this. But this is definitely the first one. So this is it. This is it. So if it can, you know, we've broken it 1, 2. What do you expect? It can say 2, you know, broken, right? Retest, right? You can see first level target. First level target. Analysis on BTC. Your broadcast from Thai radio. Thai radio. Get it today. BTC, we're targeting $97,000. $97,000 first take profit, second take profit at the range of $108,000 per BTC. So that is my forecast. So I would like to take my profit here. So 105,000 equal to 1. That's it for BTC. So where do you put stop loss? Simple. What do we do? Look at it. At least I'll love it here. It's your stop loss. Here, like this. Yeah. What is a risk to reward? Simple. Allow the print. Then put it on stop loss here. Then here. 1 is to 2. 1 is to 2. It's not too small. I would like to shift this. Since this is respected here, and this one is respected, so I like my stop loss should be somewhere here. Let me just, no, I want this ball to be beautiful. The stop loss to come out stable for me, stay big. And look at this. You know, I want to understand something. Below structure, normally it's supposed to be here, right? But I always look left. And looking left, this is where. And I don't like putting it on. I'll put it on the wicks. So I'll leave it this way. I'll leave it here. Yeah, I'll leave it there. So no matter how, even when we get out to win this thing, this should be it. 1 is to 3. Beautiful. So even if you get stopped out, you can still enter. Yes. When it comes out now, even when you get something like this, even if you see BTC, do something like so. Don't panic. Allow it. Go back here and come on, print something like so. Then you buy. Are we getting that? Okay. This is the alternative too. Yeah. Second alternative. Now what else should we look at? Let's quickly look at what else? This I don't want this. So that's Euro USD. Yeah, I'm waiting for Euro USD. It's either this the green, the yellow zone, or this the red line there. Anyone it taps to form a particular pattern. Yeah, I headed to the moon. So GBP USD. Yeah, this GBP USD, same thing, just like the Euro USD. And there's something I want us to look at on GBP GPY. Look at this. Look at this. If this market will sustain here and print something like this for me, like this and like this, and facing this place, I'll buy. I'll sell rather. I'll sell it to this level. I'll sell it to this level. So this is my next reward. Next reward should be this. So get 1 2 like this. 1 to 4. This is what I'll be targeting. 1 to 4. If definitely this stays like this, so that should be my target. 1 to 4. And last on the list, I'm sorry, this video is getting longer and longer. This is what I'm looking at now. Yes, this is what I'm looking at now. GBP NZT. There is possibility the market will come back this way. As this here, we buy. Then what is our risk reward? Is it 1:5? Yes, it's possible. 1:5. Now, why can't I see this? I'm looking at my weekly, daily. That's what I'm just looking at. Weekly and the daily. And when I look at my left, I love looking at my left. Okay, let's see the candlestick rejected here. So let's adjust this. Just rejected here. Let me unlock. Because I do lock down. Yeah, it's rejected here, right? Then let's look it. Let's look it and let's go to the right side. So just see a little bit far away from it. So far, so just reduce it to this side. Yeah. So this should be my first level target. Second level target is great. So that's all. That's all I have for today. So stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel. Please help my channel grow. Subscribe so that the YouTube algorithm will kind of, give those people who want the market view in a bigger time frame. The way to trade properly, proper trading. Yeah, and the trend. Remember, this on the trend. Rock with the 10 minutes. So that one I want from you. Please subscribe, like the video, comment. Please comment. How you comment? So you like maybe I'll do a video on synthetics indices rather. Yeah, on synthetics indices. I like to do videos on indices, volatilities. Yeah, I have them. Yeah, sure, I'll do that. That should be on my next video. Yeah, so please like, share, subscribe. I know on weekly we have something like a double top, which is like this. We kind of inverse, but this is a double top. For me, I got a double top. But the double top that we were unable to maintain. So, and we're still on the trend, on the trend. So I feel it's still valid. Yeah, still valid. Very valid. So that's it. Thank you guys for your time. To even watch this. I appreciate. God bless. Stay tuned, subscribe. Turn on the notification bell for more updates from Thai Academy. And also, if you want a mentorship, yeah, I have a YouTube. I have a course you can take and enlighten yourself with the little idea you have on trading. And also, I have a group that I always drop a good setup. Not always. I don't do that always. When the market is right, put an update there. Yeah, on how we see the market, so everybody can discuss. Yeah, but it's not free. The group's not free. Yeah, just DM me and join. Then we'll make everything move smoothly. Thank you. God bless. Peace out.